Hey guys, this is Greg with Medical Muscle. I'm officially done with third year medical school, and I've started dedicated study time for step 2 today. So I want to share with you guys basically where I'm at, how many questions I have to do, how much time I have for step, all that stuff, and I'll be updating you guys as I go. So currently, I have exactly 21 days from this day before my step 2 exam. So technically I have 20 days to study. It seems overwhelming. During my internal medicine rotation, which was my last rotation, I had reset my Uworld, my whole Uworld, because I completed basically all the shelf questions. So I had reset it during that time, and I started the dedicated step 2 review early because I knew I would have run out of time on questions. I'm probably still going to run out of time on questions, but just want to share how many I have. So currently, I have 3,086 questions to go on Uworld. Okay, a lot of those, I would say a big chunk, I've seen before because I've gone through Uworld already. I've completed 1,060 since I've reset it. Okay, so I've done a good chunk. I think this is a pretty good situation. I'm currently at a percentage of 65% correct. For me, you know, you've probably seen that's roughly average of what most of these question banks are. You know, if you've done any Uworld, 60 something is usually pretty average. And I've been in that realm. I think a lot of Uworld is, you know, reminding yourself what you need to know. So hopefully my score can go up. To complete Uworld, I need to do 155 questions a day. I don't know if that's possible. I don't even think it's necessary. I didn't even complete Uworld for step 1. I think I only got about 60%, somewhere around there. So it's not that important to me to get every single question finished. I think it's more important that I understand the concepts. But that's where I'm at right now. So, yeah, my rough plan is to do about 150 a day. But more importantly, starting tomorrow, I have a mock exam, kind of an assessment to see where I'm at. Okay, I'm going to do an NBME, probably Form 10. I've heard that's a good one. So start with that. Get my questions in. Maybe throw a little amboss and then supplement any missing content with boards and beyond. So for today, just as a example, for today, I have hematology and case control versus odds ratio, that kind of stuff, the statistic stuff. I feel like I need that as a little review. Those are my main goals for today: questions and those review videos. I'll update you guys more on what my schedule will look like. How I'm going to fit in exercise, how I'm going to fit in downtime, which is also very important. But yeah, you guys, I have a lot more to come, and I hope you guys are kicking butt on whatever you're doing.